Welcome in, guys. Welcome to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. This content is not official financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, guys. Immediately, let's get into today's content. Recently, we made a video for Crypto Climate. We very briefly touched Bitcoin, but this is a specific dedicated video for Bitcoin, as you guys already know. So we're going to dig in, just an emergency update, you know what I mean, with regards to Bitcoin's price. But before we get to that, we're currently at neutral with the fear and greed index, currently at 52. Yesterday we were at 50 and last week at 44, actually in fear. So right now we had a massive spike after coming down to 33. So we're in this range once again. And basically we're going to see in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, if we're going to make a new low below 33 or if we're going to pump up above 62. Those two key levels are pivotal when it comes to the fear and greed index, guys. Moving on to the charts and to Bitcoin's price at $24,812. We do see a green positive bullish candle today for Bitcoin after having this massive rejection wick here close to that $26,500 key resistance level. That sell pressure pushed the price down all the way to 24,000, but now we've rebounded almost back up to $25,000, right below that 25,171 key resistance level, guys. Wow, we're so close. It's just amazing. We're heading into these pivotal moments for Bitcoin's price, and it's all about, is it going to get above that 25,000 key resistance level, or will it get rejected in the next couple of days? Let me see here. Let me see. Oh, that's weird. That's weird. Well, live editing done cheap, guys. So, basically, as I was saying, here, a little bit of technical difficulties, guys. So I apologize, for that. But as I was saying, guys, so basically, we're just close. We're close to that key resistance, guys. The emergency update with regards to the price is this. A lot of bullishness. We actually got above with a wick, but until we don't close a candle specifically above this key resistance, then nothing has truly happened. And I won't lie, we're really, really close. But I do sense a lot of bullishness, people calling for 38K, and higher prices. And usually when that happens, heading into resistance, that marks a pivot point where, we would be rejected from that level. And who knows how low, really. But the point is that's the update. Just be careful out there. Just wait until we have confirmation, where at least one candle closes, we have a confirmation above, and you see it break this resistance, then that's it. If we're at 27,000, in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, then at that point I expect 30K. Not just because we broke a couple of resistance levels, but because we had confirmation above a key pivotal resistance, as you guys can see, and it's been that way since last summer. So almost for a year, it's been a pivotal resistance level. So that's why it's so key. Look at that. Basically, since June of 2022, this 25K has been pivotal resistance, guys. And we're already in March, going on April in a couple of weeks. So that's, 8-9 months ago. And in a couple of months, that's a year ago already of clear resistance. When, you have such a key level like that, then we wait. We have patience. We just let the charts play out. And then if we do have some closure above those levels and confirmation, then yeah, of course, I'll turn bullish as well. And I would be personally myself expecting that 30K level sooner rather than later, guys. On a weekly note, same deal. It's nice to see basically these weekly candles, because when you zoom out, it gives you a little bit more of perspective, where we have the clear resistance of 25K, as we've been mentioning, but on a weekly you see this massive sell wick, guys, off that $26,500 mark key resistance. But really, until a weekly close, again, doesn't close above not just the 25K resistance that we're talking about, but also above, the 200-week moving average, the red line there. If a weekly close above that and above 25K, oh man, then that's a wrap, man. 30K should be around the corner. But as long as we're being rejected by the 200-week, and you see these wicks and just that sell pressure, that shows weakness. So, basically, until we don't have those closures, I believe we're still in a bear market, and that, possibly we could get rejected from this level and go, lower towards the next support of 20,800 in the short term. Sorry for that. So another weekly chart that we review, we have this level around 20K, which is the 21-week moving average, and then we're stuck between 25K. So 20 to 25K, of course, that's a large range of $5,000, but really that's what the price has been saying with this clear support, wick here, buy pressure wick, and then now the clear rejection of 25K. Something's got to give, guys, in the next couple of weeks, for good or for bad, you know what I mean? So it's an exciting time, because if we pierce either levels and have closures of weekly candles, then those are going to be strong signs of what's to come. Same with the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Wow. We've been talking about this for weeks on weeks. Basically, it feels like months, in the sense that we mentioned this wedge pattern and said that most likely these break towards the upside, and we had an expectation of 48%. And look at that. Clearly on our way to that 48% level. Wow, it's just amazing how TA works. And yeah, Bitcoin is dominating the altcoin market right now, you know what I mean? So let's wait and see what happens, in the next couple of days. Of course, sometimes we can get some rejection, some pullbacks here and there, but that's the ultimate goal, that 48% in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. Guys, remember, we have our channel. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. Like the video, helps with the algorithm, and you can also click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press content. Thank you so much for that support, guys. And also, we have an educational free playlist here. A link is in the description down below. You can click that link and it takes you here to free educational presentations. You can grab a pen, paper, or a pencil, and dig in. Great educational content over there, guys. So again, Bitcoin's priced at around 24,860, $39, up 2.35% in the last 24 hours, and up 15.50%, wow, for the past week. So Bitcoin has been booming. Look at that, $480 billion market cap, up 2.35%. Volume is down at 36 billion, down 25%. So that's considerable. But all in all, Bitcoin is green. Bitcoin has been bullish. Those are the key levels that I wanted to mention today. Keep your eyes on those levels, guys. You know what I mean? And that was today's emergency update, guys. So remember, we have a website. Link is in the description down below. Good tools and resources for you guys. Guys, thank you so much for your time, for your attention, and for your support. And I hope you guys have a good one.